Hello, welcome to Asiash Handmade channel. We are here with the 19th video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the back post double crochet, also known as BPdc. This stitch creates a beautiful raised texture and is commonly used for ribbing, borders, and cable designs. Let's get started. First, yarn over just like you normally would for a double crochet. Instead of inserting your hook into the top of the stitch, we will work around the post from the back. Insert your hook from the back to the front, and then push it back to the other side, wrapping it around the post of the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's one back post double crochet completed. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook behind the post from back to front and to the back again. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. As you continue, you'll see the stitches pop forward on the opposite side, creating a nice ribbed texture. I made this 3D snowflake with BPdc. You can find full pattern on my Etsy shop. Link in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting!